Taking care of your neck is just as important as your face, especially when it comes to fighting the signs of aging. A great neck cream can help you achieve firmer, smoother, and younger-looking skin while addressing wrinkles and sagging. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 best neck creams that deliver amazing results. From boosting elasticity to deep hydration, these products are highly recommended by skincare experts. Stay tuned to find the one that works best for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, L'Oréal Paris Revitalift. The L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Face and Neck Cream is a widely trusted and affordable option for tackling neck wrinkles and sagging. Known for its firming and lifting effects, this cream has gained a loyal following for delivering visible results. Key features: this cream features Retinol, Centella Asiatica, and hydrating glycerin. Retinol smooths out fine lines, Centella Asiatica strengthens the skin barrier, and glycerin deeply hydrates for a plump, healthy look. Benefits and usage: designed to reduce wrinkles and firm up the skin, this cream is particularly effective for the delicate neck area. Apply daily, morning and evening, to cleanse skin, gently massaging upwards from the neck to the jawline. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your neck feeling smooth and hydrated. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle yet potent ingredients. Durability: packaged in a durable jar, a small amount goes a long way. With consistent use, one jar can last up to 2 months, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term care. In the second spot, we have Dermalogica Age Smart. The Dermalogica Age Smart Neck Fit Contour Serum is a high-performance product designed to visibly tighten and tone the neck area. Its advanced technology makes it a standout option for those looking to address signs of aging. Key features: this serum contains Flex Lift Contour technology, a peptide-rich formula, and plant-based active ingredients. Together, these provide an instant tightening effect, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and improve overall skin elasticity. Benefits and usage: the innovative roller applicator ensures precise application, enhancing the serum's effectiveness. Use it twice daily by rolling it upward from the décolleté to the jawline. With regular use, you'll notice firmer and more defined skin. Usability: its serum consistency absorbs quickly without leaving any residue, making it ideal for layering with other skincare products. The roller applicator makes it convenient and easy to use, even on busy mornings. Durability: the sturdy packaging protects the active ingredients, and its efficient dispensing system ensures minimal waste. A single tube lasts approximately 6 weeks with daily use. Coming in at number 3 is the Perricone MD Neuropeptide. The Perricone MD Neuropeptide Neck and Chest Cream is a luxurious, science-backed product designed to address severe signs of aging in the neck and chest area. Its potent formula has made it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. Key features: featuring neuropeptides, vitamin B3, and essential fatty acids, this cream works to boost skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture. It also provides intense hydration to keep the skin looking supple and youthful. Benefits and usage: this cream is perfect for combating deep wrinkles, crepey skin, and uneven tone. Apply a small amount to the neck and chest, massaging it gently in an upward motion. Use it twice daily for best results. Usability: despite its rich texture, the cream absorbs well and doesn't leave a greasy finish. It's suitable for mature skin and pairs well with other anti-aging products in your routine. Durability: the premium packaging ensures the longevity of its active ingredients. While it's on the pricier side, the cream's effectiveness makes it a worthwhile investment, with a jar lasting up to 2 months. Taking our 4th spot is Clarins Extra-Firming. The Clarins Extra-Firming Neck Cream is a dermatologist-approved product designed to lift, tone, and smooth the delicate skin of the neck and décolleté. Its botanical-based formula ensures a gentle yet effective approach to anti-aging. Key features: infused with sunflower extract, oat sugars, and kangaroo flower extract, this cream boosts collagen production, tightens skin, and provides deep hydration. Its natural ingredients make it a great option for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the cream visibly reduces wrinkles and fine lines while improving skin firmness. Apply it morning and evening by gently massaging it onto the neck and chest in upward motions. Usability: its silky smooth texture glides effortlessly onto the skin, leaving a hydrated, non-greasy finish. It's ideal for all skin types and works well under makeup or sunscreen. Durability: a small amount is sufficient for each use, making the cream last for several weeks. The elegant packaging keeps the product fresh and adds a touch of luxury to your skincare routine. And finally, at number 5, we have Kate Somerville Plus Retinol. The Kate Somerville Plus Retinol Firming Neck Cream is a powerful, retinol-infused formula designed to firm and smooth the neck area. Its advanced ingredients make it a standout choice for visible anti-aging results. Key features: this cream combines retinol, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter to reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, and deeply hydrate the skin. Its proprietary formula includes marine extracts for added lifting effects. Benefits and usage: it works to diminish the appearance of sagging skin and wrinkles while improving hydration levels. Apply a small amount to the neck and jawline nightly, massaging in an upward motion. Usability: the lightweight yet nourishing formula absorbs quickly and doesn't irritate the skin, even with retinol. It's suitable for most skin types, though beginners should use it sparingly to avoid sensitivity. Durability: the airless pump design ensures the cream remains potent and hygienic. One bottle lasts for several weeks, making it a practical addition to any skincare routine. Caring for your neck is an essential step in achieving a youthful and radiant appearance. Whether you're looking for a luxurious option like the Perricone MD Neuropeptide Cream or an affordable and effective choice like L'Oréal Paris Revitalift, these top 5 neck creams deliver incredible results. Give one a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert skincare tips and reviews. See you next time.